But the first uh, iteration of applying this idea of public blockchains to the data issue and trying to disintermediate these data brokers that, as I mentioned, charge a commission at times exceeding 50% on those data sales that at times take 6 months for the sale to actually materialize. If it's traded like a private asset, let's just make it public, right? Let's allow it to be publicly traded. Those projects in 2017, they were created, I would say, at the pinnacle of the IoT hype cycle. Back then, there was this huge narrative around Internet of Things and how every device was going to be interconnected, which panned out to be true. But the data sets that were being commercialized in those markets at the time, like the IOTA data markets, streamer, Datum, all these early iterations of marketplaces, there's a lot of data, but not a whole lot of buyers that were willing to pay for those data sets. And I think the game has fundamentally changed now because there's now a buyer who is willing to purchase data that goes way beyond the predominant modalities of consumption, which is advertisements and financial data, right? You have now, with AI, buyers that are willing to purchase literally anything that helps them improve their models. So to answer the question of like, why now, right? Why is now so important? It all boils down to a new buyer has entered the chat, a new buyer that is very well capitalized, that is struggling to innovate, and that has demand for all these different types of data that go vastly beyond what brokers have historically offered.